10 points to know before purchase air conditioner. 1. Determine the size of the room you need to cool to help you choose the appropriate air conditioner size. 2. Consider the energy efficiency of the air conditioner, as this will impact your energy bills and environmental impact. 3. Decide on the type of air conditioner you want, such as window, portable, or split system, based on your needs and budget. 4. Check the noise level of the air conditioner, especially if you plan to use it in a bedroom or quiet space. 5. Consider the features of the air conditioner, such as a timer, remote control, or air filter. 6. Check the warranty and return policy before purchasing. 7. Research the brand and read reviews to ensure the quality and reliability of the air conditioner. 8. Look for an air conditioner with adjustable fan speeds to help control the airflow and temperature. 9. Choose an air conditioner with an appropriate SEER, seasonal energy efficiency ratio, rating, which measures the energy efficiency of the unit. 10. Consider hiring a professional to install the air conditioner, especially if it requires extensive wiring or ductwork.